Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can use flipgrid.com for really fun classroom video projects. So here's how we get started. Your teacher will have a grid code for you to enter. So this is the box where you enter that code. Teacher already gave it to me. I'm going to copy and paste it right there. It's about a 6-digit code, and I'm going to click the arrow to get inside. Once I'm inside, I see the words media messages. This is something that the teacher will set up so that you know what the topic is. So if your class is doing a media messages project, that's what you would see. Whatever project your class is doing, that's what the teacher will have right here in this spot. I'm going to look over at the box on the far right that says purpose. These are instructions the teacher will have for you about the FlipGrid project. In this case, it says don't forget to make sure every member of your group gets to speak in the FlipGrid video. So that's a reminder that if we've got 4 or 5 people in our group, we need to make sure all 4 or 5 people get a chance to speak. If I scroll down, I can see there are a lot of blank areas here, and that's really all that's on the first page of the website. Look at this, group project for media messages. This is a project that a teacher put in here centered around media messages. And then you can see the teacher said make sure that each student in your group creates a video no longer than 1 minute 30 seconds. Your group will upload all videos to this FlipGrid. So that's pretty cool. So if I click on that, here's the message again. Here's the reminder again that each student should speak for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And so if me and my group are ready to share our video message for our project, then this is the green button with the plus on it that we're going to click on. So I'm going to click on that, and you're going to see a video pop up in just a second. Hi there! So wherever you're recording this video, this is what it looks like. So if I'm in a group and I need to record the hook part of the project for my media messages project, then I've got about 1 minute and 30 seconds to explain that. So let's pretend that I'm in a group of students and we're all going to create a project where we have to sell something, and we have to use all the media, persuasive language messages that we've learned about in class. So if there's me and 4 other people, maybe we're making like an infomercial or something, and maybe we're selling something crazy like, a tomato knife cutter. And like you see those infomercials where the lady is struggling to cut a tomato, and so she needs the super amazing, tomato knife cutter because she can't do it on her own. Well, let's just say that's something that my project is going to show. So in my group, I would be responsible for the opening of that infomercial, and I'm going to have to use the hook. And maybe I'm going to have to explain what the claim is, what I'm claiming that product does. So I will record that message right here. This is what it looks like, and then I'm done. I'll hit that stop button. That's the video button for when I'm ready to record, and then I'll hit the stop button when I'm done. Then my very next partner could start his or her own video where maybe they have to talk about the counterclaim, like what the other side says, or how life is going to be so horrible if I don't have this amazing tomato cutter. And so that person would then click the start button, which is the video button here, click the stop button, etc. And so each person in the group would have a different component of that project that they would have to record. Now here's the cool thing. We could do all this on the same computer, but it doesn't have to be on the same computer. As long as we all have that little 6-digit code our teacher gave us, we can log in at any time from any computer, from anywhere, and we can each upload our separate videos. Then all the group members have their videos uploaded right there. It's all in a nice neat row, and we're done. So I'm going to hit this recording video little button here, and we're just going to see what happens. Recording will start in 3, 2, 1. So see how you have a few seconds to get ready? So now I'm recording the video. I'm talking about the part of the project that I was supposed to talk about. I can go up to about 1 minute, minute and 30 seconds or so. You can see down here on the right, the timer counts down. I don't really want to stare at that camera or at that timer the whole time. I really want to try to look at the camera lens on my computer. So if I look at my own image right here, I'm staring at myself on the computer screen, but if someone else is watching this video, it's going to look funny because really, where am I being recorded from? It's up at the top. It's way up there. So keep in mind that that's what your audience would be seeing as you record your video. And don't worry about making the video perfect. I've got 2 dogs sleeping here. I'm at home recording this in my daughter's bedroom, and there are 2 dogs sleeping in here. We've got a lab on the floor and a Great Dane puppy. So it could get crazy at any second. But if it does, whatever, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be done. All right, I'm gonna stop recording now. I'm gonna click that little button there, that stop or pause button, see that? And I'm done. My video only ended up being about 24 seconds. And that's fine, because my teacher said I could do up to 1.5 minutes, but maybe 24 seconds is all I needed. Now I'm gonna click the green arrow. You can see how intuitive this is. It literally kind of just shows you what you need to do next. Okay, so I'm clicking on next. Oh no, the video has no audio. No audio detected. If you continue to run into the issue, please completely quit your browser and try recording again. Okay, so you can see that something went wrong when I was recording. So you have to be really careful about this. Did I have my video turned, or my sound turned down for my video? Nope, it looks like my computer sound was all the way up, but maybe there's something else I need to click on or check with. Maybe I should have checked this first. Maybe that was off. So there are a lot of different things that you have to check when you're recording a video. But anyway, that's how you do it. We're going to go ahead and pretend that the audio worked perfectly. Okay, your picture will be displayed in the grid. It tells me that, so I'm going to have to smile. Yay! Okay, that's really corny. Oh, look, I can add an acorn. Wait, that's not an acorn. That's a pine cone. Sorry, I was thinking about acorns a second ago. Seems like there would be an acorn there. Oh well. We're going to move on. Uploading your video. Do not close the window or your video may be lost. I'm going to definitely follow those instructions. See, it just takes a few minutes. Not even a few minutes. It just feels like a few minutes because I know this is still recording. Now, yours won't be recording. The only reason I'm still recording is because I'm using a software called Screencast-O-Matic, and it records anything on my screen, on my desktop, and it also records my voice. So that's how I'm able to show you this. But in real life, when you're doing a FlipGrid video, you would not still be recording like I am right now. I'm just trying to show you what happens through the process when you're done. It's almost there, almost 100%. Okay, last step, now I have to enter my information. So I would enter my first name, student, super. No, let's change that. I want to be super student. You know how some things ask for your last name first and then your first name last? That's what I was doing. Email, title, link, don't care, submit my video. Success, your video is now visible in the topic. Click on complete, and there I am. Now, it would be another person in my group, it'd be their turn to make a video. We could use the same computer. I could pass this computer to my partner, and he or she's going to click that green button and go through the exact same process. That's really all there is to it. And now I'm done. I'm going to go back to media messages. And my video should appear there shortly. There it is, see? It's right there. So see what I did? Back to media messages. It should pop up here in a little while. Sometimes it takes a minute or two or 24 hours. Sometimes technical things happen and it won't work, but still, see how I can still get to it? I can still click on Group Project for Media Messages, and there it is. And now my teacher can see my video, and they can see all the videos next to it for the other people in my group who also recorded videos. That's it for now. That's all I needed to show you. Hope that helps. And there's a lot of cool things in here you can play around with and click on. But it's pretty easy to use, and you'll learn even more by just getting in there and having some fun with it.